clips are in. Okay. So what we're trying to do is on the rolly towers, we're trying to fix this play here. These, they help, but they're kind of a pain in the neck to get looped in and whatnot. So we're going to try these clips. What's interesting is these are off. Oh, I found a problem. See that? That's why I really like these trays, because you can still mess up and not tumble the whole thing. There we go. All right. Ugh, this is tough to do one-handed, as evidenced by my... Let's do that. That's not gonna work. Try that again. Oh. The thing came off. Gotta find it. Yeah, having the extra hand helped, because I was able to open it up wider and get it in the teeth part here, not the orange parts. So let's do the other one. And still try one-handed because I'm stubborn. There we go. Take this off. That's why I didn't like these. It was just temporary while the clamps came in. And this is why I didn't like them. This is not the clamps' fault. This is the just getting this stupid thing off. I don't want to break it. All right, I need two hands. Okay, done. So I got two clips on there. That seems a little too wiggly to just put a clamp there in the middle and try to save on clamps. These things were fairly cost efficient, so we'll see how they go, but much sturdier. I like that a lot better. That makes me happy. I think over time those clamps should get easier, but hopefully they'll still hold their strength, and having two hands to do it for free, or do it, would be helpful too, to hold the trays and then do that. But that was super easy, much better than the bungee cord. Saturday morning, my brain's not working yet. I'm relaxing, but I'll get those attached to the other trays as needed, and we'll see how that does.